Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete apps from settings on iPhone. So if you want to delete a particular application on your iPhone via your iPhone settings, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete apps from settings on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Then locate your iPhone storage and click on it. Once you selected iPhone storage, then you should see all the applications you have installed on your iPhone. You can also click on Show More to review all the applications. So you should see all the applications you have installed on your iPhone here. Now, to delete any of these applications, all you need to do is go ahead, locate the one you want to delete from the available apps on your iPhone, and then click on it. Once you click on it, you should say Offload and then Delete. Locate and click on Delete App. Then a pop will appear that says Delete the selected application. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Now go ahead and click on Delete. Once you hit Delete, just hang on, and then you're good. Then you should see the application deleted, and if you go back to your app menu, then the application will be removed. You see that? So that is basically how to delete apps from settings on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.